ถูกต้องนะ
A monkey bike by K-Speed. Man, that thing is seriously
ถูกต้อง
cool.
นะครับเขาเรียกว่า
Check
ประส
this
บการ
little
ณ์
baby out, man.
เขาเรียกลงลูกคุกบ้าน
What?
เราอยากจะบอก
That is seriously, seriously
ด้วย
awesome.
ตอนนี้ครับกิจกรรมของเราครับแน่นเอียงเบรกเวทีสักครู่หนึ่งฮะแล้วเดี๋ยวในช่วงต่อไปครับเราจะมาพูดคุยกันนะ
Oh, the competition's going. Oh, man.
มาพบกันครับ
This is a shame. I have to do a little video on this one. Check it out, check it out. This thing is flipping awesome. A Honda monkey bike. There! This thing by Mr. Tanadid himself, K-Speed. This guy is absolutely, he just destroys this custom built thing. So cool, check it out. That's unreal, little sprocket, check out the little sprocket. Very cool. Lovely suspension, lovely rear seat. He uses this little style on his BMWs a lot. Love the handlebars too, look at that. Wow, that is one seriously cool monkey, huh? Actually, that's the coolest monkey I've ever seen. I don't care. Hands down, the coolest monkey ever. People, unbelievable. Absolutely unreal. The coolest Honda monkey on the planet so far. Indicators, awesome. That is the coolest exhaust ever on a Honda Monkey. Lovely rear sets too, check these out. Engine cover, air filter, missing brakes, upside down forks. This thing is just absolutely badass. Cool. Absolutely flipping awesome. The Bangkok custom bike competition.